All right. All we did was charge up the batteries, turn this thing on. It says insert. That's what it says. Eject and reinsert tape. Unit in safeguard mode. If you look at the angle, it has an E04 right there, right above my fingernails. They got to see like a funky angle with the display. Yeah, we just tried several tapes, and you close it and you go to the off position. It's supposed to shut down. It doesn't do anything other than shut down like this. Can't close this once we powered it up. Try and put in the play position here. Still says pops out and does this. Eject and reinsert tape unit in safeguard mode, and if you do it angle E04 is the error code. We looked that up. I don't know. This thing is not working. I only bought it because it said tested/works. So, kind of disappointed.